Welcome to the project demonstration of battery operated motorized wheelchair. So here we are going to controlling this wheelchair movement with help of Android application through the Bluetooth. So from the Bluetooth application we are going to sending the commands to control this wheelchair movement in forward, backward, left, right direction. And to control the robot movements we are using the two DC motors which are attached to the back side of this wheelchair, and these are interfaced to the PIC microcontroller, that is PIC16F72 microcontroller, through this L293D motor driver. So this is the L293D motor driver which can control the two DC motors in bidirectional, like so forward, backward directions, and each motor can be controlled in bidirection, so that we can control the DC total wheelchair in four directions. Forward motion, these two motors in forward motion, backward, these two backward, and left side this will move backward direction and this will move forward direction. So it will take the left, right, reverse. This is backward and this is forward right direction movement. So this will be controlled through the L293 motor driver based on the commands received from this HC05 Bluetooth module. So we have interfaced this HC05 Bluetooth module at B0 B1 pin of our microcontroller, and L293D motor driver interface at the C0 to C3, and the whole system getting power supply from this 12 volt 1 amp battery, so which is rechargeable battery. If we observe this battery pack consists of 3 4 volt 1 amp batteries are in series, so we will get 12 volt 1 amp, and which is a rechargeable battery. So in order to recharge the battery we need to connect this battery to the charging section. So connect the B at this B slots and T for the transformer slots. So after connections made we can on the power supply to this charging circuit to 30 volts AC plug directly. So it will take around 6 to 8 hours to be fully charged. Right. So now the transformer is providing power supply to the battery. So as the transformer is a step down transformer, we are using 230 volts to 12 volts AC, and that AC will be converted to DC power supply using this charging circuit. After that we will get the 12 volts constant DC, that is the main charging supply voltage for this battery. Then after when the time completes, means after 6 hours completes, automatically these diodes will block the current flow, and they will protect the battery from the overcharging. So this overcharging protection also will be there in this one. Then this is the main on off switch for the whole robot system. So now before on the kit we need to install one application, that is HC05 application, which is available in the Play Store. So this is the icon of this application. After installation, that's on the power supply to the kit. Okay, then after go to Bluetooth settings of your phone. So initially we need to pair from your settings initially, then after automatically this HC05 appear in your application, we can control it from there directly. So HC05 1 2 3 4 is a password. So we need to pair from this settings initially, then go to the application, there we can see the HC05. So next time onwards directly open the application, you can see over here it will display the initially 5 buttons only, so only like button 1, button 2, BTN1, BTN2, BTN3. Then click on that, type forward, command F, it will come like this, deselect these two, save. Same thing for the button 1, button 2, so backward, small b, like that, forward small f, backward small b, left small l, right small r, stop small s. So done, do the all these changes and then save them. Now we can control the robots. Forward motion, so it will stops, and backward motion stops, left, so it will take only certain angle of rotation, then after it will check with the right. So left, right, it will take only bit rotation. So if it is sufficient we can go with the operations. Right, same for the right direction also. So if you continuously tap the button, so it is continuously taking the left rotation. Same for the right direction also. So like this, we are going to control this wheelchair movements with help of Android application by sending the commands through the Bluetooth, and that will be received by this HC05 Bluetooth module. Based on the commands, we have coded the microcontroller in embedded C language to control the robot, control the wheelchair movements in 4 directions along with stop.